In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your expected dividend income using Robinhood's web platform. Whether you're a beginner investor or just looking to keep track of your passive income, understanding how to estimate your dividends is a valuable skill. Let's walk through this process together on the Robinhood browser platform, so you can stay informed about your investments and plan your finances more effectively. First, you'll want to log into your Robinhood account through your preferred web browser. Take a moment to ensure that your login details are entered securely. Once you're in your account dashboard, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. As you type, Robinhood will display matching results. Click on the correct stock to navigate to that stock's detail page. On this page, there's a wealth of information about the company's price history, news, and key statistics. Scroll down until you find the dividends section. This area provides important details about any dividend payments, such as the most recent dividend per share and the payment frequency, like quarterly or monthly. Take note of the dividend amount per share and how often it's paid out, as these will be key to your calculations. Now, let's move to the next step, figuring out your expected dividend payment for each period. To do this, simply multiply the dividend per share you just found by the total number of shares you own in that stock. For example, if the dividend is 50 cents per share and you own 100 shares, your expected payment for that period would be $50. Remember, this amount reflects what you'll receive every time the company issues a dividend, based on your current share count. If you'd like to estimate your total dividend income over the course of a full year, there's just one more calculation you need to make. Simply take your expected payment per period and multiply that by the number of payments made each year. For instance, if the dividend pays quarterly, you'll multiply your per period amount by 4. If it's monthly, multiply by 12. This will give you a clear picture of your potential income from dividends alone, helping you plan your financial goals with more confidence. And that's all there is to it. By regularly checking these details in your Robinhood account, you can stay up to date on your dividend income and make informed decisions about reinvesting or using those funds elsewhere. Thanks for watching and happy investing.